Hello everyone, welcome to my iTechHub YouTube channel. Today here in this full video we will see how to fix iPhone mails not updating automatically. So nowadays lot of iPhone users are reporting that their emails isn't updating automatically. In this video I will show you how to fix this issue. Here are some solutions that I will show you, and the first one is check your mail settings. To do this, first of all go to settings on your iPhone. Now scrolling down and tap on mail. Here tap on accounts. Now tap on fetch new data. Here make sure that push is turned on. If already on, turn it off and on it. Under fetch, select automatically. Now we will see second solution, and the second solution is remove your mail account and again add it. To do this, first of all launch the settings app on your device and here tap on mail. Now tap on accounts, then here tap on Gmail. Tap on delete account, then tap delete from my iPhone. Once you delete it, restart your iPhone and re-add your mail account. Now I will show you third solution. Refresh your mail manually. For that, open Mail app, then drag down the screen for getting new mails. At the bottom of the screen, it shows updated just now. Now we will see fourth solution, and the fourth solution is turn on and off airplane mode on your device. To do this, first of all go to settings on your device. Here you will find airplane mode option. Simply turn it on, wait for a while and then turn it off. Fifth solution is restart your iPhone. To restart your iPhone, first of all go to settings. Then here tap on general. Scrolling down and tap on shutdown. Now drag the slide to power off slider to turn off your iPhone. Then wait for a few seconds and then turn it back on. Sixth solution is disable low power mode. To apply this solution, first of all go to settings on your device. Next here tap on battery. If low power mode is on, turn it off. When it's on, it reduces background activity like documents and mail fetch. Now seventh solution is make sure in cellular data mail is turned on. For this, first of all go to settings on your device. Now tap on cellular. Scrolling down to find the mail. If the toggle is off, then turn it on. Now eighth solution is reset network settings. To apply this solution, first of all go to settings. Make sure that resetting the network settings resets your Wi-Fi passwords, APN and VPN settings and cellular settings. In general, tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Next tap on reset. Tap on reset network settings in pop-up. Then again tap on reset network settings. It will easily reset network settings on your device. So these are the solutions that you can use to fix iPhone mails not updating automatically. I hope this video will helpful to all of you. If you still have any query, you can ask me in the comment section.